back at it again.
I know for sure, baby. You definitely couldn't be who's the people that report the weather?
A stripper? No, I'm joking. Hey,
You don't know what they're called.
for people in the comment section, help us out right now. A meteorologist, right? I think. I know it sounds like you do fucking. It sounds like they study meteors and shit, but I thought, isn't that the person that does the weather? Meteorologist?
There's like no cars on this road. It's kind of like creeping me out.
Yeah, no traffic, but it's convenient for us. I mean, why would there be, right? I guess it's just a bunch of like, you know, small homes. So I guess we just go up and then on it.
You don't go underneath first?
I don't know. It doesn't look like, no, I mean, there's no other way. Like, I don't know. I think we got to go up and then it leads into the other shit. Because otherwise, how would you do it? Unless... Oh, I guess there's... Right there, I guess maybe that's where people climb up and they begin the journey, maybe? Or they drop down, I'm not sure, but... Oh, now we know. That fucking thing, we could have climbed down onto it.
Going up. Follow my IG.
Where does it say that? Oh. Yeah, exactly. That's why you see what I'm thinking. Hands are a wee bit chilly. Fuck. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
The journey begins.
You like to make things come. Good.
We got our exercise. A little muddy. Oh, interesting.
Maybe that's where you want to go now.
There might be another one.
Did you just spit into it?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, maybe there's another one. Because that just went down to right below us where I think the train tracks are. My fucking ankle. Hey, a lot of gang shit. I don't know why people would be chirping out like, oh, if you're afraid of heights. This is barely, this isn't nothing. You fall. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, baby. You fall into that. I don't know if I'm going after you.
Well,
Then we both might not make it out.
glad to know.
If it was warm, I'd go in. Fall in summertime. Wow, look at the mountain. You can like see the fog and shit. Clouds. All right. I think. Oh, that's where we go in.
Oh.
Do you want to, let's explore the rest of this first and then. It says just do it. I don't know what they're trying to tell me.
I almost broke my ankle when I tried to run on this.
Yeah. It'd be like that.
He said no, no.
I feel like there's multiple places where we could get down. Let's see about this one. Yeah, this one's actually a little better. It's like the ladder's closer to us than the other one, even though it looks like it's like a little more on an angle. Let's keep going.
Don't look down.
Chill.
Baby.
Yo. Yeah, it looks a little cracked right where you're standing.
Hey, stop.
Yeah. All right, get on the other side.
Way too much. Asshole.
You look like you're on the
looked
trip
down, I
too.
looked down. I was like, ugh.
Yeah, you look like you're on the trip too. You gotta chill.
Same.
This one looks like the coolest ladder out, like I mean like the safest out of all the ladders, because the other one was a little crooked. I don't know, I mean, from this point on, we're just gonna get closer to the highway, so I almost feel like, do you want to do the one over there? I know that one didn't look like the safest out of them all, but it's in the middle. It's like probably the best shot. Watch out for the puddle. Yeah, this is pretty cool.
Let me get a little snatch.
It's time to go down into the abyss.
What do you say, ladies first?
Let me see.
You said no, fuck that. You got it.
I'm just gonna put my weight on it. It feels good.
Got the backpack on.
Yeah, I know. Ooh, my ass is a little cold. I'm like squeezing into this. If I can feel the fucking ladder rungs. Bro,
What?
it's dark.
You got your glasses?
I do. Ooh, this is, oh my god. This shit scared me. Oh, it's just water like leaking. Let's see, I should have my light right at the top. Or somewhere in here. It's cool how it kind of comes just down into... Jesus fuck. Yo. You just gotta get a run at it. Here, I'll take the backpack. Yeah, definitely, I see what they mean now by bring grippy shoes. This is cool though. This is cool as shit, yo. Wait. Let me tighten this up.
I already know myself.
Let's, yo. Fucking cool, bruh. Oh. I see. Damn, yeah, it is a little slippery in some parts, but this area hasn't been wet yet, so.
Maybe, I think someone else was sitting here.
Huh?
That's wetness.
Oh, yeah, but that's probably leaking from above in the cracks. Probably. See, now during normal weather, I don't know if it's this, you know, white waterish, you know what I mean? Like when the weather's calm in the summer, it's probably fine, but right now it's pretty aggressive. Let's go to the other side, through the hole. God, it's like when you look out and then look down, it almost like throws.
Right next to it, be happy.
Go ahead, baby. Yo. Yeah, I'm literally crawling like. Yo. It's a little wet here, so try to not. My GoPro came off.
You know, I was like, I feel wind coming from that direction. Alright, let's go crawling.
Fuck.
Look at that fatty.
Good game. Jesus. Let's do it one more time. My fucking backpack. Yeah, but then... Trying to get my foot in the crack then. Oh, chill.
That's big. I ain't going too far. We had like a skateboard.
What the hell?
All the way down. That would be so
That's a great way to get injured.
That would hurt, but it would be fun. Can we get a picture of the baby? Sure.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm not gonna look at you.
Yeah.
You got it.
You got it. Help me put my glove back on.
Without art and stress.
This is like steep. I almost feel safer being towards the bottom than the top.
I know.
Baby, what the fuck? Yeah. I see that. Fucking A.